Hi all, welcome to my channel. I'm Bea and I'm glad you're back. And in case you are new here, my channel is about mixed media, painting, art journaling, assemblage and anything else what sparks my interest. Welcome to an additional video this week with Call August. I just had to share this. Not because I think it's a good one, but because I think it's a failure. Just to show you that I make mistakes too. So I did start another collage, as you're gonna see after the little review from the last days. I was going through the magazine and looking for interesting shapes in nice colors. So far so good. I have picked quite a bunch of shapes. I always make sure that I have good selection to begin with. And I know already that not all of those shapes gonna make it into the final piece. I'm still happy here. Choosing the bits is a big part for a collage too. That's what I have figured out already since I played a bit with this art form. But don't worry, I won't bore you by showing you every page I have turned or every magazine I have grabbed. So I did speed up this video and did edit out parts. A little tip here, if you squint your eyes while looking at your magazine, it is easier to help your brain see the forms rather than the object. Or just look at the pages upside down, so your brain doesn't recognize it right away. Just in case you are new to fuzzy cutting, it is much easier to turn your paper instead the scissor to cut along the forms. I'm still on track here, just arranging my pieces to figure out what I want to use and how I want to arrange them. still playing with my shapes, arranging the way I want them and choosing what I want. And in the end, I'm gonna take a picture as usual with the phone. In case you wonder why I take pictures, well, simply because I have to take it apart again to start gluing. And if I want to keep the arrangement I have it like now, I need a photo as a reference. So here comes the part where I run into a problem. Lately I did run out of my most favorite medium, the Liquitex matte medium fluid. So I decided to go to an art store nearby. Bummer, they don't have it. What to do now? Well, I decided to try their brand of fluid medium. Unfortunately, they have only satin. Oh well, there is no alternative, so I grabbed it. It is really very fluid, so I did put it into a cup and did start gluing. The small pieces were somewhat okay, but the bigger pieces started wrinkling. I know the magazine pages are thin, but with the matte medium from Liquitex I was able to handle it. Oh well, now I have started, now I have to finish it. Can you see how the flowers got wrinkles? I don't like it. I tried to smooth them out, but I had no luck. In the end, they're gonna be visible. Good thing it is just an art journal and not an actually art piece. So here we are with a collage full of wrinkles and for my taste too much shine. It was still a good exercise playing with shapes for an abstract piece. I'm gonna play more with abstracts in the next days. See you soon somewhere online.